Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Arife, and welcome to my presentation on incomparable Dr. Seuss. Let's begin with one of his timeless quotes. Okay. The more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you will go. I want to focus on the life and works of Dr. Seuss, the famous children's author loved by kids worldwide. Dr. Seuss was actually Caesar Seuss Geisel, born on March 2nd, 1904, in Springfield, Massachusetts, USA. Dr. Seuss started writing stories for kids in the 1930s. Before that, he worked in advertising where he learned how to make catchy ads. But he dreamed of writing books for children. His first big hit was "And to Think That I Saw It on Mulberry Street", which he wrote in 1937. It took a while to get published because many publishers said no at first, but he kept trying until his success. Dr. Seuss didn't just write for kids. He also wrote funny cartoons and articles for magazines in the 1920s and 1930s. Some of his books were for grown-up too, like The Seven Lady Gadivas and Your Only Old Ones, a book for absolute children. Dr. Seuss had a special way of telling stories. He used funny rhymes, made up creatures, and important lessons to teach kids. He was so good at it that he became one of the most famous children's authors ever. During World War II, he helped by making cartoons and films to support the war effort. He won many awards for his books, like the Pulitzer Prize Special Citation and lots of Caldecott honors. A list of well-known children's books that they have written are The Cat in the Hat, Green Eggs and Ham, Fun Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish, Oh, the Places You Will Go, Horton Hears a Who, How the Grinch Stole Christmas, Fox in Socks, The Lorax, Hope on Pop, The Strings and Other Stories. Thank you for listening me and attention. Have a good night, guys. See you later. Bye bye.